Alright, so I see you men later.
What the heck?
Yeah. Alright guys, so now we are entering the home. Hey, cállate! Perro menso! What the heck? There's just a phone right here. And a dog. Let's bring the dog inside.
Regresa, Panchito.
Ama!
Ay, Panchito, Panchito, ven, Panchito. Ay, ya eres pendejo, que te quiero mucho. Mírame, Panchito. Ay, qué bonito.
She don't even do that to me. She doesn't even. No, ni me hace eso, nomás a los perros. What the heck? Mamá, ¿por qué le haces eso al perro y a mí no? Mamá. Hey. Hey.
Porque así está bonito, tú no. Ay, qué bonito, Panchito.
Broke my heart. Hopefully I didn't crack my phone. No, I didn't crack my phone. Didn't crack my phone. What do you men want to say to the camera?
You suck.
Alright, here we have the Chango playing GTA 5. Hi Andy, you're playing GTA?
Yeah.
Because you're gay. Freaking cheater.
Okay.
So basically, my brother called Rockstar, told him that he was missing an insurgent. Yeah, okay, we'll replace it. They replaced it. And so I told them the same thing. They said, sorry mijo, you don't have enough money. How can you about that? You're a broke Mexican. And I didn't get nothing. Which sadly it sucks. Who's over there? Nobody's over there. Alright, so now Family Custom should just, oh shoot. Did I make a hole? Oh shoot. Alright, oh well. Stop! So I was thinking of doing a little prank here, and I heard that if you put baking soda in ketchup, it explodes. And I'm gonna test that theory. Vamos a testearlo, mijatita. Alright guys, get your ketchup. Oh, you need this, Arm & Hammer, and get the one with the least ketchup in it, because you don't want to use the one with the most ketchup. La abres, la pones, try to aim most of it inside, close it again. Okay, and alright. Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. This thing actually does have vinegar inside. What the heck? What the heck? Alright, this thing gonna blow up, this thing gonna blow up. See how it got inflated? That shit got big, that shit got big, that shit got big, that shit got big. Look at this. Look at this, look at this. This thing's big. This, a GoPro, not a phone, a GoPro. Hero 1 LCD version, 2015. But this thing does actually contain vinegar. So now, we just open it, hopefully. Alright, so let's spray this sucker. Should we spray it right here? Nah, let's go spray it in the back. But I can't hold my camera and this shit Mexican style, let's say, in a restroom. Let's just put it in here. Alright. Like, I. What the heck? That shit didn't even splatter out. That was gay. That was a waste of ketchup. Oh, somebody's calling me. Somebody's calling me. Somebody's calling me. Jorge. Hey, ¿qué onda, vato? What's up, fierro? What's up, man? Vlogueando. Oh, I know. I saw it right now. Es que estaba vlogueando. I know, I'll check it out right now. ¿Qué le dijiste? ¿Qué le dijiste? ¿Y qué dijo? Alright, I'll text you like in a day or so. I got chicks waiting in line. You know me. Always chicks waiting in line. Oye, ¿qué está haciendo? ¿Tocando fierro o qué? Oh, está bien, está bien, está bien.
¿Qué onda, par de compas? Aquí hablando el pirata de Bakersfield. Ya nos vemos.
El pirata de Bakersfield. ¿Quién es el pirata de Bakersfield?
Soy yo, compa.
Anonymous?
Quiero mirarme y le
If you guys want to see him, his name is George Estrada. Look him up. Yeah, I already took you off. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, el pirata de Bakersfield me llamó ahorita y le gustan los fierros calientes, así es que pónganse en línea y miren que le enseñen el fierro, porque le gusta el fierro y que se la pasen al 100 y fierro, pariente.